Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to display your business hours on your website using the htmega plugin. Displaying business hours can be helpful for your customers to understand when to make an appointment and contact you accordingly. Let me show you how you can display your business hours on your website. From the Elementor Widget panel, search for the Business Hours widget. Drag the widget to the section. You can change the layout from here. There are 5 different layouts available for the Business Hours widget. You can customize the day and time from here. This widget will also allow you to highlight any days you want. Once you highlight a day, you will see some more options to change the colors for that day you just highlighted. From the style settings, you can manage the necessary styles for all the elements of this widget. So this way you can display your business hours on your website easily. If you need any support regarding this widget, please let us know in the comments below. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.